Okay, welcome back. A quick one. So this is just a practical for you to go and try out. All right. So create a web page that what displays an alert with your name. Remember, we've used the alert what function most of the times. So create a web page that displays an alert with your name on it. That also writes this. All right. Welcome to my first GS web page using documents dot what right. Okay. So make sure you create a web page that alerts your name, and also write this our statement here. All right, using your document dot write that we use to write on web page directly. Okay, and also print your school name in the console using the what console.log. Okay, now this is a quick tip. You should always what test your code in a browser. Make sure you test your code in the browser. And sorry, and to get your console tab, you can use the Control Shift I. Right, you hold down your Control key, you hold down your Shift key, then you press on I to get your console. Or you can right click on this, then click on Inspect. Then you should be able to what see your console here. Either ways. All right. Okay. Okay, so that is that. And also make sure to keep your JavaScript code simple and what readable. And don't forget to always what use comments to what explain your code. Okay, and remember your HTML is what the structure of your web page, your CSS is what the design, then your JavaScript is what the action. Remember your HTML, you can use it to create a button, you can use your CSS to style a button, add your margin padding and all that. All right, and give it a background color and all that to style your button, for example. Then you can now use your JavaScript to add action to that button, that whenever they click on that button it should perform what something. So remember your HTML is the structure, your CSS is used for designing, and your JavaScript is used for what interactivity. All right, to make your web page interactive. All right, okay, so this is it. Make sure to do this homework, make sure to do this homework. So this is this. All right.